There's a moment in almost every man's life where he realizes something uncomfortable. He's working hard, he's paying bills, he's saving something, but he's not getting ahead. Not really. 5 years pass, 10 years pass, and his net worth barely moves. Meanwhile, someone else, they seem to accelerate. Same economy, same country, same opportunities, different outcome. Why? Today, I'm going to show you the invisible line that separates people who stay financially stuck from those whose wealth starts compounding like a machine. And no, it's not luck. It's not crypto. It's not some secret investment club. It's something much simpler and much harder. Most people are not broke. They're trapped. Trapped in what I call the financial treadmill. Income comes in, expenses go out. A little gets saved, then something breaks. Car repair, medical bill, vacation, holiday spending, reset to zero. You're moving, but you're not advancing. And here's the dangerous part. The treadmill feels productive. You feel busy. You feel responsible. You feel adult. But wealth? Wealth requires escape velocity. Let me say something that might surprise you. Hard work alone does not build wealth. Income builds survival. Assets build wealth. If all your effort goes toward maintaining your lifestyle, you never build momentum. And momentum is everything. Wealth doesn't grow linearly. It grows exponentially. But exponential growth only starts after friction is overcome. And most people never overcome that friction. There's a moment in every wealth journey where things shift, where your money begins working harder than you do, where gains start to feel noticeable, where your net worth chart bends upward. I call this the wealth acceleration point. It's not a specific number. For some, it's $50,000 invested. For others, $250,000. But it's the moment when your annual investment growth is larger than your annual contributions. Read that again. That's when wealth becomes a machine. If you invest $5,000 and earn 8%, you make $400. That's dinner money. It doesn't change your life. So people lose excitement. They lose patience. They quit. But when you invest $200,000 at 8%, that's $16,000. Now that's real. Same rate, different scale. Scale changes psychology. The hardest part of building wealth is not intelligence. It's emotional endurance. Can you invest when it feels pointless? Can you save when it feels slow? Can you ignore lifestyle inflation? Most people can't. That's why most people plateau. If wealth acceleration is the goal, then you need an engine. Not motivation, not hype, not shortcuts, an engine. Here's the system. ENGINE. Before you try to grow wealth, stop the bleeding. Subscriptions, high-interest debt, lifestyle creep. Every dollar leaking out is a soldier that never fights for you. You don't need extreme frugality. You need intentional spending. Wealth builders don't rely on willpower. They rely on systems. Automatic transfers, 401k contributions, Roth IRA deposits, index fund allocations. Remove decision fatigue. Make investing boring. Boring is powerful. You can only cut so much, but income? Income has no ceiling. Negotiate raises, acquire new skills, consult, invest in scalable assets. The fastest way to hit acceleration is increasing fuel to the engine. Cars depreciate, clothes fade, trends expire, assets compound. Stocks, real estate, businesses, dividend portfolios. Your lifestyle should lag your net worth, not the other way around. Smart investors don't just earn, they protect. Use tax-advantaged accounts. Understand capital gains. Think long-term. Every dollar saved in taxes is another dollar compounding. This is where most fail. They don't endure. Markets drop. Fear rises. They panic. But wealth doesn't reward speed. It rewards consistency. Stay invested. Stay disciplined. Stay patient. Time is the multiplier. Here's your simple roadmap. Step 1. Build a 3 to 6 month emergency fund. Step 2. Eliminate high-interest debt. Step 3. Automate 20 to 30% of income into investments. Step 4. Increase income yearly. Step 5. Ignore noise. Do this for 5 years and watch the curve bend. One day, you'll check your portfolio, and instead of adding $5,000 a year, it will grow $25,000 without you touching it. That's the moment. That's the shift. That's when you realize you built a machine, and the machine doesn't get tired. Most people quit before acceleration. Don't. Most people upgrade their lifestyle too early. Don't. Most people let emotion override math. Don't. The wealth acceleration point is not magic. It's math plus discipline plus time. Start building your engine now. 5 years from today, you'll either thank yourself or wish you had listened. The choice is quiet. The choice is boring. The choice is daily. But the result is freedom.